We are all children of God, we are all children of Most High. In the process of evolution, we need to learn. There would be mistakes, but our process of evolution, as we go nearer and nearer to God, we need to learn from our own mistakes. We need to learn from others' mistakes. More the wiser you become by learning from what others are doing, which you should not repeat. More the wiser you become by learning from others' mistakes. Remember, we are all children of God and everybody makes mistakes. This is the actual truth. But if I need to get back on my feet, I need to fly in my world. I need to become successful. If I need to get back my power and my freedom to think, to prosper, to be happy, to be successful, I need to let go of all that which is cluttered within me. I need to let go. I invoke for the blessings of the Lord God to help me to let go all my past. I deeply understand that we are all children of God, children of Most High. We are all one. We are all one. We are one with God. We are one with every person on this planet Earth. You see, healing can happen only with the feeling of oneness. If I need to heal a friend, I need to feel one with the friend. If I need to heal anybody, I need to have a state of oneness within me. And this state of oneness will come when I have freed my mind of all the clutter so that I can accept what others are trying to tell me and heal them from within. देखिए, जब हम ही भरे रहते हैं, हमारा दिमाग ही भरा रहता है. When my mind is cluttered, how can I help somebody else? In the process of healing, the first person to heal is myself. The first person to declutter is myself. And after that, my state of oneness with my friend will automatically heal the friend. Are you understanding my point? Healing में actually क्या होता है? हम अपने अंदर इतना calmness, इतना peace. I myself, what does happen in healing? What happens in healing? What is the exact thing which happens in healing? I need to maintain my own calmness, my own peace, so that I can transmit this peace and love and calmness which I experience to a friend in the state of oneness. Healing another person is a greater responsibility for myself, my mind, my emotions to be decluttered. And I need to let go of all unnecessary grudges, pains, hatred, which are cluttering my mind, which have hijacked my emotions. I need to let go of them to become a greater healer. I need to forgive and let go instantaneously of anything which does not align with my frequency. Others' opinions which may clutter my mind, I should be in a state of oneness with God, that such opinions which disturbs my peace and calmness cannot enter inside. This is the truth about healing. When I nourish other souls, my soul is nourished. The process of healing is that when I nourish other souls, I, the soul, am nourished by God Himself. When I nourish other souls, I, the soul, am nourished by God Himself. When I forgive others' trespasses, I, the soul, am forgiven for my trespasses by God Himself. When I give love to the world, I, the soul, experience the love of God. Om Shanti 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 Om. Om Shanti 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 Om. Om Shanti 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 Om. Blessings and love be upon all. Atma, Namaste.